turning the page to holiday fun. Robert Small's Leadership Academy held its 13th annual Repurposed Holiday Book Decorations Contest. Students get crafty using art supplies, turning old books and printed materials into holiday decor. There's snowmen, candy canes, little animals, and more.
At first, I was aiming to make a hedgehog, but then I turned it into a mouse. I personally made it because I really like crafting things. I don't know, it just turned into obsession.
I made a snowman. I made it because I saw Frosty the Snowman and I wanted to make it. I used 3 pumpkins and glued them together, and I ripped paper from old books and glued it on it. I made like this little Christmas tree inside of a book. I used an old book. I also used an ornament. I used like tinsel, and I also used like these foam balls. I made a card of a reindeer because I liked it and I saw a picture of it.
Some students also made amazing winter villages and scenes.
I made a winter wonderland, and I did it because I like nature.
I made a holiday village house, and I used cotton balls, buttons, pine cones, and paper.
I made like a winter wonderland, and I did it because it's just kind of fun to do every year.
The students are excited to be recycling the old materials and repurposing them for the holidays.
Recycling, it's a good thing for the environment. We just waste other stuff and we can make it into beautiful things.
My mom is an environmental engineer, so she likes to help clean up the earth, so she inspires me to help recycle stuff because it doesn't break down, so the animals end up eating it and they die from it.
Faculty and staff are voting for the holiday decorations they like the best, and a first, second, and third place winner will be announced at both the elementary and middle school levels. At Robert Small's Leadership Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.